Hey, friends and family, how we doing? Ryan Otteson here. This week in real estate for the first week in March. That always means what? It means we're tracking those monthly numbers. So what happened in February? You can see them right below. So take a look at them as we walk through them. We're just going to go down in order. Pick your favorite city: Glendora, San Dimas, Laverne. If you don't see your favorite city on here and you want to, just reach out and let me know. You can shoot me a quick email. You can give me a call at the office, 626-774-5000. Shoot me a text message, whatever. So if you don't see your favorite city below, let's make sure you're tracking data, because what is measured is improved. Thank you, Larry Broughton, for that. So months supply, this is the whole, are we in a seller's market, buyer's market conversation? Healthy seller's market, 3 months of inventory. Healthy seller's market, 3 months of inventory. So look below: 1 month, 1.3 months, not even a full month, right? 8/10 of a month in Laverne. Ridiculously great time to sell your house. The median sales price in the month of February, $810,000 for both Glendora and San Dimas. In Laverne, $1 million for the median sales price in Laverne. Fantastic. Year over year, that's up 26%. Ridiculous. That crushed it for the median sales price increase. Laverne, great job. I mean, you got to compliments to the chef when you see it, right? Closed units, great job, Glendora, closing out 30 units in the month of February, up 20%. Love that. Closed units, San Dimas not far behind with 17. You dipped off a little bit from last year, which is crazy to think about that. That's a 45% decline in closed units, and you did 17. So great job, City of San Dimas. And then, of course, Laverne with our closed units, 21. Also a drop by 34%, which means think about how many more houses we're selling last year. And last year in 2021, we were screaming how tight inventory was. Look at these days on the market too. Single digit days on market. Unbelievable time to be in the market. Buyers, don't get discouraged. Don't be sad. Listen, make sure you're working with a trained professional buyer's agent in this market. It's different. If somebody says, I got 50 buyers and I'm working with all of them, man, you need a ninja. You need somebody to get in the ring and whoop it on for you. So if you're a buyer in this market, can you still get a deal? Yes. You got to make sure your agent knows how to fight and negotiate on your behalf. If you're thinking about selling in this market, is it a great time? Well, maybe. It depends on what your goals are. Yes, you can sell quickly. Yes, you can sell for money. But if you have concerns about where do you go, if you have concerns about what does the future look like, reach out. Love to have that conversation with you. As always, we love your trust. We love your business. We're trying to do 100 units this year. The only way we're going to do 100 closed units this year is with your help. So some referrals this week. How could you help us out? We'd love to have a conversation with somebody who's thinking about diversifying their portfolio and they want to purchase investment properties. If they're thinking about doing that, we've got a great combination of our asset valuations and our market reports. So if you know of somebody who's thinking about purchasing properties for investments, love to have those conversations. A better referral for us this week. We need some relationships to get inventory. If you happen to know a probate or estate planning attorney who's looking for a partnership with a realtor, love to have that conversation. And the best referral for us this week is someone who's looking to sell their home. We've got to create inventory. I'm a business owner. My storefront is your neighborhood, and my product is your neighbor's houses or yours. So if you're thinking about selling, we'd love to have that conversation with you. Do me a favor, take a look, scroll to the bottom of this. You'll see what's happening with our community partners. Got a ton of great stuff going on this month in March. Ton of great stuff. For Freedom Outreach is running their training camp this month. Love some prayers over that. Legislative Affairs Committee of the Glendora Chamber of Commerce. We're doing the luncheon special. Joe Cena, myself, we're going to be talking about who are we and what do we do as the Legislative Affairs Committee for the city of Glendora. McKinley Children's Center, if you've never heard of it, phenomenal organization right here in the city of San Dimas. They're doing great work. You can help support them by simply going to Chipotle and Cookie Crumbles. They're doing a fundraiser on the 16th. You can learn more about that below. And of course, Purpose Church Pomona, a man's event, Warrior. Register for that thing. Take a look at it. If you were at the last one last quarter, they did a phenomenal job. And then, hey, if you happen to want to spend a Saturday afternoon with some talented people right there in the city of Laverne, Glendora, Grace Church is hosting a Better Man's Conference. I will happen to be one of the guest speakers, so I'd love to see you there. You can register that down below as well. And then, of course, our favorite property management company, Otteson & Company, is hosting a happy hour in April, so stand by for that. A lot of great things happening in the month of March. We will see you next week for This Week in Real Estate. tracking numbers, keeping you informed. You're valued, you're loved, and you are appreciated.